Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Miranda wig from the Amore line in the color Auburn Sugar. This is not the rooted version of that particular color. So when I first put Miranda on, I played with her a little bit, especially these top layers. I realized that I really like this wig. I do. Now it reminds me a lot of the Camille from Trestlor. I don't think that's an accident. And this one is really fun on. They're both really pretty, actually. I particularly love how there's no permatease in this wig, but still lots of layering, so you get good volume up here, especially if you fluff her up a little bit. You know, it's kind of got like this rock star front layer with these bangs being like this. You know, so she's like a really pretty, long, sort of shaggy cut. Before I go any further, let me go ahead and do a 360 with this Miranda on so you can see what she looks like all the way around. Alright. I absolutely know this has to be a shag because for some reason I have the theme song from the Mighty Boosh in my head, which I know not everyone's gonna get that reference, but yeah, let's just say that one of the characters has a really outlandish shag haircut, and for some reason this is making me think of that, but it's not a bad thing because he's totally hot, so whatever. Anyhow, Miranda is really cute. I love this Auburn Sugar color. It's not like a crazy auburn, as you can tell. It's actually pretty toned down. You know, it's like if their iced mocha color had the red part of the hue turned up just a couple notches. Very pretty color. I love all of the thinned out layers down here towards the bottom. That's another thing that gives us a really nice contrast, and it makes all the attention go right up here to the eyes, which is phenomenal. I love how the layering here on the side just kind of helps etch out the face a little bit. I just think this one's super cute on. The weight on Miranda is 4.1 ounces, so she's pretty lightweight given how long she is. The front down is long. It's definitely meant to be swept off to the side. It's 5.5 inches. The crown down is 9.5, so it's a little longer. And the nape is 13. So it's long, but not boob hugging. Let me go ahead and take Miranda off so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. Like most Amore wigs, Miranda has a completely hand-dyed monofilament, double monofilament top. It's very nice and silky smooth up here. We've got open wefts on the sides, open wefts on the back. There's a slightly extended nape back here, and it's adjustable a bit like a bra strap. And the ear tabs are closed and covered with a rose lace material. There is a generous band of polyurethane right at the front hairline. It's a great place to put adhesive, especially if you don't have any hair on your hairline. Otherwise, you're going to rip it out. That's what the top of Miranda looks like. So as you can see, very well knotted, nice dense mono top, gives you a real nice appearance of a scalp there. And there's all that layering up close and personal with that beautiful highlight pattern. Beautiful highlight from that Auburn Sugar color. And see how it gets thinned out towards the bottoms? It's lovely. I'm going to go ahead and put Miranda back on for you now. Now I do consider this wig kind of tight, and that's just because most Amore wigs are tight on me. I have what you might consider an average large cap circumference, so Amore wigs are not necessarily my go-to brand, but if you can fit into them well, you know, and everyone's a little different, but if you can fit into these well, they're gorgeous wigs, they're very pretty, and they're usually very well made. So this is the Miranda by Amore in the color Auburn Sugar, so the unrooted version of that color. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching my videos. Hopefully, if you like what you see, you'll subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our wig store. It's just www.cysterwigs.com, CysterWigs. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye!